24 amazing facts about the human body. Human fingers are so sensitive that if your fingers were the size of Earth, you could feel the difference between a house and a car. If you could stretch out all of a human's blood vessels, they would be about 60,000 miles long. That's enough to go around the world twice. Nerve impulses travel to the brain at speeds of up to 250 miles per hour, faster than a Formula race car. The human eye can see ultraviolet light. The ability is just filtered out by the eye's lenses. Some people have undergone surgery to remove the lenses, and can detect this particular light. An adult is made up of 7 octillion atoms. For perspective, there are around 300 billion stars in our galaxy. Human muscles are actually incredibly more powerful than they appear to be. Human strength is limited to protect our muscles from harming themselves. This limitation can be removed during an adrenaline rush, where some people have lifted cars off themselves. During 30 minutes period, the human body gives off enough heat to boil a gallon of water. If the human brain were a computer, it could perform 38,000 trillion operations per second. Putting on perspective, the world's most powerful supercomputer, Blue Gene, can manage only 0.002% of that. Average human body produces 25 million new cells each second. In comparison, every 13 seconds, you produce more cells than there are people in the United States. During their lifetime, humans shed 40 pounds of skin. The outer skin is replaced almost completely every month. During 24 hours period, your blood travels around 12,000 miles. That's 4 times the distance across the United States, from coast to coast. Inside the human body are around 0.2 milligrams of gold, most of which is in our blood. Newborns don't produce tears. They make crying sounds, but the tears don't start flowing until they are about 4 to 13 weeks old. Scientists have shown that the average person blinks 15 to 20 times per minute. That's up to 1,200 times per hour, or around 29,000 times in a day. The human nose can detect around 1 trillion smells. A fresh cup of coffee, or a wood fire. These are only 2 of the roughly 1 trillion scents that the human nose and brain are capable of distinguishing from each other. A newborn baby has more bones than an adult. About 270 to 350 bones are in the body of the babies. As the baby grows, some of the bones, such as those in the skull, fuse together. This is why, after people grow into adults, they only have 206 bones in their bodies. The average human produces over 25,000 quarts of saliva during his lifetime, which helps protect your mouth from germs. These 25,000 quarts of saliva are enough to fill 2 swimming pools. Humans possess a unique tongue print, just like we do with fingerprints. As well as being one of the strongest muscles in the human body, this is the other amazing quality of the tongue. When a person is awake, the human brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. The human eye can see around 7 million colors. Also, certain colors can be eye irritants, can cause headaches, and wreak havoc with human vision. If the human eye was a digital camera, it would have 576 megapixels, but really only about 7 megapixels matter. Depending on the music you are listening, also your heartbeat changes. So music can impact people's moods, which leads in a change to the heart rate. The human bone is as strong as granite. A block of bone, the size of a matchbox, could support 9 tons of weight. Humans are the best long-distance runners on the planet. Better than any four-legged animal. In fact, thousands of years ago, we used to run after our prey until they died of exhaustion. This video has been brought to you by Zero Topic Channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.